Thank you very much. Wonderful drug treatment, everything. So something different uh, for osteoporosis. So benefits of total joint arthroplasty in osteoporosis. Now, as all of you know, this is the mass is less, and Wolff law, all orthopedic surgeons would know, and which says that weight bearing is the best stimulus for osteogenesis. And as you know, in severe arthritis, there is a very high risk of osteoporosis because of reduced mobility, reduced weight bearing, and other comorbidities. So, perfect joint replacement is very important, and robot really helps for that. Rheumatoid arthritis is very common, and it has even direct effect for osteoporosis. So this stiff knee, osteoporotic knee, physiotherapists tried to mobilize and fractured. So we reconstructed, and with weight bearing, you can see the beautiful bone formation at the end of 8 years. Again, similar osteoporotic, stiff, and patelectomy was also done. So immobile and stress fracture, and you see the effect of allowing them to weight bear immediately with a stable joint and a beautiful bone formation at 13 years follow-up. Both knees, both hips, and so severe osteoporosis, protrusio, some again physiotherapists try to mobilize the stiff hip and fractured. So it is possible to do all 4 joints, make them walk, and this is 9-year follow-up. It comes in the newspaper, started walking after 7 years. Ankylosed knee is one of the favorite topic. I've written a chapter. Rheumatoid arthritis is the main cause, and you can see severe osteoporosis, complete fusion of the knee, and severe osteoporosis. Even hip was operated, which has failed, gone into severe protrusio, and it requires a special trans-tibial approach, and you can reconstruct, allow them to walk and reconstruct the hip, and 16 years follow-up, they are enjoying the mobility, stability. Bilateral bony fuse hips, 90-degree for 11 years, rheumatoid, and you can see this young lady only on wheelchair. The beauty of biology is even fused hip, when the bone is fused, even the medullary canal also gets recanalized. That's called remodeling, and it was a challenging we did. So this is 100% correction at the age of 12 years, and enjoying the mobility and painless. 12 years follow-up. Bilateral fixed flexion deformity with again grotesque deformities. You can see fused knees. This is how she is, 43-year-old, and both are completely corrected, and it is possible to make her walk on the day 2. That improves the bone quality and function, and this is a 2-year follow-up, enjoying the full function and mobility, painless. Post osteoporotic stress fracture is very common with osteoarthritis, immobility, and you can see after good stability at the end of 16 years you cannot see the trace of fracture. So there is a beautiful remodeling of the bone. Again, similar multiple cases with good stability, you can reconstruct, and you cannot see the biology heals up the fracture so well, you cannot see the trace of the fracture. Periprosthetic fracture, so grotesque deformity, accidental fracture, and with trabecular metal augment, which can form bone and on which you can put a revision prosthesis. And this 79-year-old female immediately day 2 mobilization and weight bearing started. And at the end of 10 years you can see the beauty of biology and stability. There's an excellent bone formation and remodeling. Newspaper. Again, grotesque fracture, good stability, mobility. Tuberculosis is one of my favorite, active tuberculosis, and I have written a chapter in Journal of Orthoplasty, 21 March. one of the largest published series. I have also given lectures abroad. This is a 19-year-old female with spine and active hip cox after proper protocol of anti-TB medication. And you can see 2 years, 9 years and 14 years follow-up, excellent mobility, stability, painless, tuberculosis completely healed. Post-infection, this patient is 90-year-old patient from Nairobi, bedridden for 2 years, 4 failed surgeries after septic knee surgery treatment, and there was a frank pus. And as a standard protocol, first stage debridement, but it is possible to make them walk. That improves the bone quality. And at 8 weeks he is walking, good stability, and recently sent after 24 months his video from Nairobi. Stable, everything is published in our article. Ankylosing spondylitis, I have written a chapter in this. So 34-year-old follow-up, bilateral fused hip, operated after 16 years, revised by doing ETO, external trochanteric osteotomy. And this is 34-year-old follow-up, complete consolidation of the bone, both the side. And this is 4-year post-op and 34-year post-op, right from day 1. Failed revision. So young lady, 34-year-old with multiple surgeries, failed THR, also foot drop, and reconstructed completely. So it is possible to walk immediately on day 3, almost partial to full weight bearing. So stability is most important for giving a good joint replacement. And after 4 years, everything was fine. She had a fall and periprosthetic fracture on the same side. And I must congratulate Dr. Shane. So he reconstructed with the plates on both the sides, united beautifully. Nothing happened to the joint. Everything was good. So 7 years after everything, fracture was united, reconstruction good, and she's got excellent mobility. She started swimming and enjoying the mobility at Goa. This is a young female, 20-year-old female, painful hip, hardly any activity, and now after surgery she is enjoying dancing. This is again one patient from Pune, IT professional, bedridden for almost 2-3 months and enjoying surgery done in January. So in conclusion, arthritis immobility causes osteoporosis, and stable arthroplasty improves weight bearing and painless mobility, improving osteoporosis. Thank you.
Thank you very much.